Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a dust-free zone and cleansing your hands. This matters because even tiny particles cause bubbles. Once done, place the protector roughly over the screen and use 2 small hinge strips to hold one edge. Make sure to align camera, speakers, and edges exactly. Minor misalignment forces rework. Then, peel back half the backing while the hinge holds the other half steady. This gives you control and reduces trapped dust during the first placement step. You lower the protector slowly from the hinge, leading with the center so air escapes toward the sides. That's how you avoid most bubbles. As it contacts the glass, press the middle firmly with a microfiber-wrapped squeegee and push outward in straight strokes. Avoid circular scrubs which trap air. If you used a wet install film, keep pressure even and blot excess liquid at the edges. Moisture evaporates, allowing adhesive to set. Make sure to inspect under different angles so you see remaining dust or air. You finish by running a firm squeegee from the center to each edge, sealing the adhesive and pushing microbubbles out. For a stubborn particle, carefully lift to the hinge, remove the speck with dust tape, then reapply. This prevents permanent trapped debris. If small bubbles remain, a single low-heat pass from a hairdryer at arm's length helps adhesive relax. Otherwise, wait 24 to 48 hours as adhesives fully cure. Troubleshooting. If bubbles persist after rework, replace the protector. Adhesive may be compromised.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.